Ladies and gents, welcome, welcome. End of January. We are in Borough Market. Just a quick 10-minute video to use while I'm traveling, so I have something to post. Today I'm only filming 10-minute short videos. Wow, let me go closer to this amazing meat right here. Today's Thursday, not as busy as during the weekend, which is good. It's nice to walk through here, and it's been raining as well, so it's not as busy. But there are still queues, long queues for everything. Wow, this queue goes round the corner, look at that. That's Israeli food right there. I spent a few years in Israel. There is Mr. Shad up there. Let's see the cheese and the potatoes. Hey, hey, hey. Just want to have a look. Thank you. Thanks. And look at this beauty here. Thank you so much. And look at these guys, Chinese New Year. A few days ago, 22nd of January. The year of rabbits. Hoppity hop hop hop. Look at these two babies here. And this is what they sell. Egg noodles. Let's go from the other side. We've got Mexican food right here. Love Mexican food. There is a pasta shop here. So this would be probably the only stall I would be avoiding. I absolutely don't like how goat smells. It reminds me of somebody's stinky underarms. Very, very, very bad. I can't. I've tasted, I've tried, but most of the time, maybe once in my life I was able to eat it and it was kinda okay and not smelly. But I tried in various places and that's just me. Let's go all the way around this queue. Let's go to see what Kyla looks like today. But every time I come here, I don't think there is a longer queue for anything else. Sorry. There is one cooking right here. I just want to see. If you show me, I'll have. Oh, look at that! Thank you so much. And this is the portion you get.
That is the portion, yeah?
Yes.
That is the price.
That's the price. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Free taste, mussels. Mussel. Taste mussels.
So I think it's time to get out of here. I come here so much that I try not to spend too much time here these days. As I said on my channel, I've got like 50 one-hour videos from here, so I try not to stay as long these days.
Pero uno dijiste, you were so tight, even better.
Let's see the donuts before we leave. These days, I've seen a lot of people queuing for the donuts as well, like crazy queues. Not today, but during the weekend, it's crazy. It's drizzling. See, this is my precious. That's cheese and olive stick, £3, absolutely amazing. And in the summer we've got lots of bees all over these babies. Bees love them. Oh, it's drizzling and raining. Let me put my umbrella up. Whew, heavy one. So ladies and gents, 10 minutes is over. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Please press the like button, please subscribe. I'm gonna make my way to the river and and start a new video. This is filming in January. Never-ending rain. I don't even have hands to press to stop recording. One has umbrella, the other one has camera. Both hands busy. Anyway, I'll try to press it now. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 17.